Hello, Auto Express viewers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic models in the world of supercars, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. This recently unveiled vehicle is the ultimate V12 hypercar, capturing attention among Lamborghini fans and supercar enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll explore the exterior design, interior features, performance, and pricing in full detail. Let's start with the exterior. The Lamborghini Revuelto maintains the classic Lamborghini DNA but introduces modern touches that elevate its presence on the road. The front end looks aggressive and striking, featuring sharp LED headlights and a redesigned aerodynamic structure. With a lower front profile and a wider body than its predecessors, this car immediately commands attention. On the side, the sleek lines and bold air vents stand out. These vents are not just for looks. They play a crucial role in cooling the engine and brakes, ensuring performance isn't compromised. At the rear, Lamborghini has introduced a fresh design. The new tail lights, integrated diffuser, and quad exhaust system not only look incredible but also deliver the unmistakable V12 sound that Lamborghini is known for. The color options are more diverse than ever. The Revuelto is available in solid colors, metallic, and matte finishes, allowing buyers to truly express their personality. Additionally, Lamborghini's bespoke customization program lets owners tailor almost every detail, from stitching to trim, making each car unique. Moving inside, the cabin has been completely redesigned. The interior of the Revuelto is driver-focused, with every control intuitively placed for maximum convenience. The digital instrument cluster is modern and sophisticated, providing clear information at a glance. The central console features a cutting-edge infotainment system with a touchscreen interface, voice commands, and smartphone integration. The seats are crafted from premium leather and Alcantara, providing comfort and support even during aggressive driving. The new steering wheel includes touch-sensitive buttons and a drive mode selector, keeping key functions right at your fingertips. Lamborghini clearly designed the Revuelto to be more than just a car. It's a complete driving experience, meant to engage the driver fully. Performance is where the Revuelto truly shines. Under the hood, it features a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering a staggering 950 horsepower. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. These numbers aren't just about speed. They reflect Lamborghini's advanced engineering and lightweight design. The Revuelto comes in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, paired with modern electronic driving aids that ensure stability even under extreme conditions. The active aerodynamic system enhances downforce at high speeds, improving cornering performance, while the carbon ceramic brakes deliver exceptional stopping power. The driving modes range from street, which prioritizes comfort and smooth acceleration, to sport and track, which sharpen engine response, suspension, and steering feel. Driving the Revuelto is an experience in itself. This car connects with the driver in a way few vehicles can. Even in terms of efficiency, Lamborghini has made some interesting updates. The Revuelto features a hybrid assist system that enhances both performance and eco-friendliness. While it's still a supercar and fuel consumption remains high, the improvements demonstrate Lamborghini's commitment to evolving technology. Price-wise, the Revuelto sits at the top of the premium supercar market. The base model starts at around $550,000, and with bespoke options and premium materials, the cost can exceed $700,000. Imported to Korea, or other markets, additional taxes and options increase the price further. Despite the high cost, owning a Lamborghini is as much about the experience and prestige as it is about the car itself, which keeps it highly desirable among enthusiasts. Overall, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto is not just a V12 hypercar, it's an evolution in design, technology, and performance. The exterior is aggressive yet elegant, the interior is futuristic and driver-centric, and the performance is nothing short of extraordinary. While the price is very high, this car justifies its value through an unparalleled driving experience. In this video, we've covered everything you need to know about the Lamborghini Revuelto. Auto Express is committed to bringing you the latest supercar and hypercar news, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. In our next video, we'll compare this hypercar with others in its class and continue bringing you detailed reviews. Thank you for watching, and this has been Auto Express.